Your Airbnb is leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year. And the brutal truth, you probably don't even realize that it's happening. Look, I know you think you're doing everything right. Your calendar looks okay, your reviews are decent, you're getting some bookings, but here's what most hosts don't understand. The money is slipping through your fingers in ways you can't even see. In this video, I'm going to expose 10 brutal truths about why your listing isn't performing at the level that it should be. And I'm not talking about small stuff here. Each one of these mistakes is costing you real money right now. Hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands. But here's the good news. I'm also going to tell you exactly how to fix every single one of them. And here's the deal. If you make it to the end of this video without having made any of these mistakes, drop a comment below and I'll give you a free month in B&B Tribe. Hi, I'm James Svetec, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. So let's dive in with brutal truth number 1. You don't have professional photos. And I'm sorry, but your iPhone photos are costing you bookings every single day. Guests are scrolling past your listing in 2 seconds flat because your photos look amateur. Here's the brutal reality. First impressions are everything on Airbnb. When a guest is scrolling through search results, they're not reading your description, they're not looking at your reviews, they're looking at your cover photo and they're making a split-second decision about whether to even click on your listing. And amateur photos scream amateur host. They tell the guests that you don't take this seriously, that you're probably cutting corners everywhere else too. Professional photos can increase your bookings by 30 to 50%. This is literally the difference between a full calendar and empty nights that you're scratching your head wondering why nobody's booking. And here's the thing. Your competition has professional photos, so you're already starting from behind. So here's what you need to do right now. First, hire a professional photographer with Airbnb experience. Not just any photographer, someone who knows how to shoot rental properties and short-term rentals specifically. Second, have them edit those photos to be bright and colorful. Get fire in that fire pit, get bubbles in that hot tub, Netflix logo up on the TV screen. Third, stage your property before the shoot. Wine glasses on the counter, fresh flowers on the table, coffee set up by the machine. Make it look lived in but beautiful. This investment will pay for itself in just a few bookings, and it'll keep paying you back month after month after month. And speaking of making your listing look amazing, brutal truth number 2 is probably happening right now on your Airbnb page. Your listing isn't optimized. Your headline is boring guests to death. Your description is a wall of text that nobody's reading. Your photos are in the wrong order. And because of all this, you're basically invisible in Airbnb's search results. Let me break down why this matters so much. Airbnb's algorithm rewards optimized listings. When your listing is properly optimized, it ranks higher in search. Higher search rankings means more impressions. More impressions means more clicks. More clicks means more bookings. It's that simple. Andrew from New Zealand, one of our B&B Tribe members, hit 80% occupancy right from day one of launching his listing because he got this optimization right from the start. So here's what you need to fix immediately. First, rewrite your headline with specific keywords and your most desirable amenities. Second, structure your description with clear headings and bullet points. Nobody's reading big long paragraphs. Make it scannable. Third, put your best amenity photos first. The hot tub, the pool, the fire pit, whatever guests love most about your property should be in the first 5 to 10 photos. Then create a virtual tour walking them through the rest of the property with your remaining photos. And fourth, add captions to every single photo answering the questions guests might have. Is that a smart TV? What size is that bed? Is there parking? Answer it in the caption. Now, inside B&B Tribe, we have the complete listing optimization playbook that walks you through every single element of a high converting listing. We also have the Listing Genius AI tool that analyzes your listing and tells you exactly what to change. Members like Karen made these tweaks and started getting booking inquiries the same weekend. If you want access to that, then the link to join B&B Tribe is in the description right down below. But let's keep going, because brutal truth number 3 is happening behind the scenes. Your cleaners aren't consistent. And this is creating a massive problem that you might not even realize. Your cleaners are doing a different job every single time. You're getting surprised by bad cleaning reviews. You have no way to verify the job was actually done right. And every single turnover ends up being a stress fest. Here's why this matters so much. One bad cleaning review can tank your rating, and your rating is everything on Airbnb. A 4.8 rating is not the same as a 4.9, and a 4.9 is not the same as a 5.0. Guests filter by ratings a lot of the time, and if you drop below 4.6, you're basically invisible. Inconsistent cleaning means inconsistent guest experience, and that means you're constantly putting out fires instead of growing your business. You're dealing with complaints, you're issuing refunds, and you're stressing out. So here's how to fix it. Create a detailed cleaning checklist for every single task that needs to happen during a turnover. Then require before and after photos from your cleaners. This gives you the verification you need, and it protects both you and your cleaner if ever there's a dispute. Have your cleaners use the same checklist every single time. No exceptions, no variations. Same process, same standards, every single time. And if cleaning issues are giving you headaches, then brutal truth number 4 is turning normal maintenance into expensive emergencies. This is that you don't have maintenance systems. Everything is an emergency because you have no prevention in place. Small issues become big, expensive problems because you're not catching them early. You're constantly scrambling to find contractors, and your costs are way higher than they need to be. Emergency repairs cost 2 to 3 times more than planned maintenance. When your HVAC dies in the middle of summer with guests in the house, you're paying premium rates to get someone out there now. When your water heater starts leaking and floods your basement, you're looking at thousands in damages that could have been prevented with a $50 inspection. Plus, guest experience suffers massively when things break during their stay. Bad reviews start to pile up from maintenance issues, and your property value actually decreases from deferred maintenance as well. So here's what to do. First, create a list of trusted repair people for every type of issue you might face. Plumber, electrician, handyman, HVAC tech. Have their numbers saved. Have backup options too in case your first choice isn't available. Second, schedule regular preventative maintenance checks. HVAC servicing twice a year, water heater inspection annually, appliance checks, pest control. Put it on the calendar and actually get it done. Third, have your cleaner do a quick maintenance inspection during every turnover. Are any light bulbs out? Any weird smells? Any damages? Catch these issues before the next guest arrives. And fourth, build a maintenance fund. 3 to 6 months of your operating costs saved up so that when emergencies happen, they don't destroy your cash flow. This is exactly why inside B&B Tribe, we have complete maintenance tracking spreadsheets, property detail checklists, and handyman hiring templates. Plus, you'll connect with members like Michael, who manages 13 properties and has systemized all of this for his business. He's got processes that keep everything running smoothly across his entire portfolio. Now we're getting into the money mistakes. And brutal truth number 5 is absolutely destroying your revenue. Your pricing strategy sucks. Your calendar sits empty in low season and you're wondering why. You're leaving thousands of dollars on the table during high season and you don't even know it. You're guessing at prices instead of using actual data, and your competitors are eating your lunch and running circles around you. Let me be really clear about this. Bad pricing is the fastest way to kill your revenue. Price too high and your calendar sits empty. Price too low and you're working for nothing. The difference between good pricing and bad pricing is literally thousands of dollars per year, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars a year. I've seen hosts miss out on $20,000 in annual revenue just because they didn't understand how to price their listing properly. So here's what you need to do right now. First, stop guessing and start using dynamic pricing tools. Price Labs can automatically adjust your rates based on demand, local events, seasonality, day of the week, all of it. You set your minimum and maximum prices that you're comfortable with, and it handles everything else. You still need to review it, and you still need to adjust your overall strategy monthly. But the day-to-day price changes, let the software handle it. It's way smarter than you at optimizing for maximum revenue. And while we're talking about pricing, brutal truth number 6 is free money that you're just leaving on the table. And that's that you aren't leveraging Airbnb promotions. Airbnb literally gives you free tools to boost your bookings, and you're just ignoring them. Meanwhile, your competition is using them and stealing bookings that should be yours. Here's why promotions matter. When you run a promotion, Airbnb gives you a visibility boost in their search results. You show up higher, more people see your listing, and promotions specifically attract price-conscious travelers during your slow periods. The beautiful thing is that you can often fill your calendar with promotions without actually discounting much at all. Because Airbnb might recommend a 10% discount, but if that 10% discount matches where you were already going to price your listing anyway because demand is low, then you're getting the visibility boost for free. So go to your calendar right now and set up custom promotions for your slow periods. Use last minute discounts to fill gaps. Test different promotion types to see what works for your market, and monitor the results so you can keep doing what's working. Now, here's where it gets really brutal. Mistake number 7 means you're flying completely blind. That's that you're not using analytics tools like IntelliHost. You have no idea why your bookings suddenly dropped last month. You can't diagnose what's actually wrong with your listing. You're making changes randomly and just hoping something works. And you're wasting massive amounts of time and creating huge headaches for yourself. The truth is, without data, you're just guessing. And guessing wastes time and money. You're like a doctor trying to diagnose a patient without being able to run any tests. You're just poking around, hoping to accidentally find the right problem. Tools like IntelliHost show you exactly what's happening with your listing. You can see your search performance, your impression count, your click-through rate, your booking conversion rate. You can see exactly where in that booking funnel you're actually losing people. Are you getting impressions but no clicks? Your photos or headlines suck. Are you getting clicks but no bookings? Your listing content or pricing is the problem. Are you getting neither? Well, then your search ranking is trash and you need to optimize that. Here's what to do. Sign up for IntelliHost and start tracking your listing performance. Monitor your key metrics weekly and use the actual data to make informed decisions about what to change. Stop guessing and start knowing what's wrong. Inside B&B Tribe, you get exclusive deals on tools like IntelliHost, Price Labs, and other third-party vendors in the short-term rental space. Plus, we have complete training on exactly how to use each one of these tools to maximize your results. Members save over $4,000 just in vendor discounts alone. But even with all the right tools, brutal truth number 8 is putting your entire business at serious risk. And so you aren't collecting guest emails. And because of that, you don't own your guest relationship. Airbnb does. If Airbnb changes their policies tomorrow, you're screwed. If your account gets suspended for any reason, fair or unfair, you lose everything. And you have zero ability to generate repeat bookings or direct bookings without Airbnb. Think about how fragile that makes your business. You built this whole thing on rented land. Airbnb owns the platform, they own the guest data, they own the relationship, you're just renting space from them. And they can change the rules or kick you out whenever they want. Meanwhile, repeat guests are your most profitable guests. They already know your property. They already trust you. They don't need to be convinced. Direct bookings save you 15% in platform fees right off the top. That's 15% straight to your bottom line. Email marketing generates passive income. You send one email per month to your list, highlighting local events and offering them a discount to come back. Some percentage books, it's autopilot revenue. So here's how to fix this immediately. Set up StayFi to capture guest emails through your Wi-Fi network. When guests connect to Wi-Fi, they enter their email instead of a password. Same exact system that hotels use. Works like a charm. Start building your email list today. Not next month, not when you get around to it, today. Send monthly emails with local events and booking offers. Make it valuable, make it personal, make it easy for them to book with you again. And create a direct booking website for your past guests. Most channel management softwares can set this up in just a few clicks. Now, when you email past guests, send them to your site, not Airbnb. And if you think that's brutal, number 9 is going to sting because it's all about you as a host. You aren't being a good host. You're treating guests like transactions instead of people. You're enforcing your house rules unfairly or inconsistently. You're not communicating as clearly as you think you are. And you're not treating guests the way you would want to be treated if you were staying somewhere. This creates bad reviews. Bad reviews tank your ranking. Lower ranking means fewer bookings, and your reputation follows you forever on these platforms. Meanwhile, hosts like Joanna on Maui built a top 1% listing by genuinely caring about every single guest who stays at her property. She treats them like a friend. She helps them have an incredible experience, and her reviews reflect that. So here's what you need to do. Put yourself in your guest's shoes. What would you want if you were staying at this property? What would make your experience amazing? Communicate proactively and clearly. Don't wait for guests to ask questions. Give them the information they need before they need it. Be fair and reasonable with your house rules. Yes, you need rules, but don't be that host who's looking for reasons to charge fees or leave a bad review. Be reasonable. Create an amazing experience, not just a clean space. Think about the little touches that make guests go, wow. The welcome note, the local recommendations, the extra thoughtful details. Remember, happy guests leave 5-star reviews. Happy guests come back. Happy guests tell their friends about your place. That's how you build a sustainable business. And the final brutal truth, number 10, is the most dangerous one of all. You aren't diversified. You're 100% reliant on Airbnb. One algorithm change can destroy your business overnight. One false complaint from a bad guest can get your account suspended, and you have zero backup plan. Platform dependency is business death. Airbnb changes their algorithm all the time. What works today might not work next month, and they don't tell you when they change these things. Your bookings just suddenly drop, and you have no idea why. Account suspensions happen to good hosts all the time. Some guest makes a false claim, Airbnb sides with them. Your account gets suspended while they investigate. You can't accept new bookings, your existing reservations may even get canceled, your income stops, and you have no real recourse. One bad situation shouldn't be able to end your entire business. But if you're only on Airbnb, it can. So here's what you need to do immediately. List your property on Vrbo and/or Booking.com. Don't just rely on one platform. Diversify your traffic sources. Set up direct booking capabilities so past guests can book with you without going through any platform. Build your email list like we talked about earlier. Own your guest relationships. Create multiple revenue streams so you're not dependent on any one single source of income. Never put all your eggs in one basket. That's business basics. And it applies to your Airbnb just as much as it applies to anything else. This is exactly why inside B&B Tribe, we teach the complete diversification strategy. How to set up on multiple platforms without going crazy managing everything. How to create direct booking websites that actually convert. How to build sustainable income streams that aren't dependent on Airbnb's whims. Members like Justin brought on 15 properties in just 2 months using these exact systems. He's built a real property management business with diversified revenue streams across multiple platforms. Now, if you made it through this entire video without making any of these mistakes, I really want to know. Drop a comment below telling me which mistakes you're most guilty of. And if you're seriously not making any of them, then congrats. I'll give you a free month inside B&B Tribe. Again, just drop me a comment in the comments down below. For everyone else who's realized they're making at least a few of these mistakes, here's the good news. Every single one is highly fixable. You can turn this around. Inside B&B Tribe, you get step-by-step training on fixing all 10 of these issues. You'll get our complete listing optimization playbook, our advanced pricing strategies, our cleaning checklist and system, our maintenance tracking tools, everything you need to actually fix these problems once and for all instead of just knowing about them. Plus, you'll join an incredible community of hosts who are solving these exact problems for themselves all over the world. Hosts like Fahim, who just landed his first $15,000 reservation. Andrew, who hit 80% occupancy from day one, launching his listing. Karen, who started getting bookings the same weekend she implemented these changes. Joanna, who built a top 1% listing on Maui by creating exceptional guest experiences. You'll also get exclusive discounts on over 30 industry tools, including IntelliHost, PriceLabs, StayFi, and more. It's $49 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't find value in the first month, just let us know and we'll refund you, no questions asked. The link to join BNB Tribe is in the description right down below. And seriously, I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these brutal truths hit you the hardest? Are you making all 10 of these mistakes? Just a few? Let me know what you're going to fix first. If this video opened your eyes to what's really been holding you back on Airbnb, then do me a favor and smash that like button and the subscribe button. Every single week, I'm breaking down the real strategies that are working for successful Airbnb and short-term rental hosts. Not theory, not fluff, real tactics that you can implement today. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, brutal honesty is the first step to massive growth. Now go fix these mistakes, and I'll see you in the next video.